there, my name is Karlee Prins and I can't wait to show you guys this beautiful sunset eye look that anybody can do, I promise. Doesn't matter what your eye color, it's gonna look amazing on you. Check it out. Starting with eye primer, we're gonna go in and apply it to both eyes. This is gonna ensure that your eyeshadows stay put all day long. My other secret is to wet your brushes before you apply your shimmery shadows with setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna pat the color Alive all over my whole eyelid. Okay, next up is Lively. This really pretty burnt brick orange is going to blend so nicely with your skin tone, no matter what color it is. It looks amazing. I just like to apply it on the outer corner, all along my crease bone, and then blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna take it with my crease brush now and apply it underneath my lash line as well, as it helps kind of pull the whole look together. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use is called Fervent, and I like to apply it on the outer corner of my eye, just in a small amount, and then again I'm going to run it underneath my eye with my crease brush to help blend it with that burnt brick orange. Okay, now blending with your blending brush is key for any eyeshadow look. Next up is the shade Optimistic. This one's really going to make your eyes pop. I like to apply it on the inner corner of my eyes along with my eyebrow area. You can also use it on your tips of your nose, your Cupid's bow, and your tops of your cheekbones to give it that extra highlight. Now 4D mascara, you guys, is going to transform any eye look. Throw on your favorite lippy. Mine just happens to be Pouty Lip Liner along with Well-To-Do lipstick. It's going to create a really nice neutral lip for this eye look, okay? And there you have it. Anybody can do this, I promise. Just give it a shot. All these shades are going to look amazing on you.